Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel Nutrition Fact. Today I'm gonna share an excellent smoothie recipe which is helpful in weight loss. So, today I'm introducing the recipe oats smoothie. Today I'm gonna explain the significance of all these ingredients that why I am using in this smoothie. I suggest this oats smoothie recipe to take as your breakfast. There are many benefits due to oats. Oats contain a lot of dietary fiber and it is low in calories. So when we take these oats by an empty stomach, you can get a great digestive health. Also controls the blood sugar levels. Soya milk. Soya is a good source of low fat and especially it is a plant-based protein. It is very good to consume plant-based products than animal-based. Soya milk is cholesterol free as it has less saturated fats than any other milk. Moreover, soya milk are rich in protein, fiber and it is also lactose free, gluten free naturally. So, gluten intolerance people can undoubtedly consume soya milk. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. If you are trying to reduce your belly fat, then start adding cinnamon powder in every food. Chia seeds are the tiny seeds which are loaded with many health benefits. They are the richest plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids which can lower the risk of heart disease. Dates should be consumed every day to boost your immunity. You can have about 4 to 6 dates which are sufficient for weight loss. Honey is calories free and helps to reduce the cholesterol level. Banana also helps in reducing blood sugar levels and aids in weight loss. Here I soaked and peeled the almond for better nutrient absorption. To make this oats smoothie, first we have to take a pan with a cup of oats. We have to dry roast these oats for 5 minutes. While consuming oats, we have to dry roast or soak these for some time as they are rich in phytic acid content. If we consume this phytic acid, it may cause many digestive problems like bloating, constipation, etc. Cool down the roasted oats for 5 minutes. Now add the cooled oats into the mixer. Here I am adding the matured dates to get sweetness naturally. Here I am using 2 to 3 dates in this smoothie. Dates are very nutritious as it is also rich in dietary fiber and also fights against many diseases. Moreover, dates are the natural sweeteners that we can use instead of sugar so that you can easily add these dates into your diet. Here I am taking about 4 to 5 soaked almonds. Instead of almonds, you can also use any other nuts or roasted peanuts or peanut butter. Now I am adding 2 small ripened bananas as bananas give perfect smoothie texture to this recipe. You can also take frozen bananas. Bananas also help feel full longer. Cinnamon adds a delicious warming effect to the smoothie when it is combined with the peanut butter and banana. Here I am using 100 ml of vegan soya milk which is plant-based protein and also lactose and gluten-free milk. Gluten and lactose intolerance people and celiac diseased patients can undoubtedly consume soya milk. Now blend all these ingredients in a high-speed blender. Now your oat smoothie is ready to serve. Here you can also use any other milk like almond milk, peanut milk, coconut milk instead of soya milk. Soya milk tastes good when it is chilled. Here I am topping this recipe with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds as it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids or good fats. You can garnish this oat smoothie with any other fruits like raspberries, blueberries, whatever the flavor you like. Here I am adding the 2 tablespoons of honey as it is low in cholesterol and to enhance more sweet. This oats smoothie tastes good when served chilled. By consuming this oats smoothie at your breakfast, you can get rid of many other digestive problems like constipation and you can also get more dietary fiber that is used for your digestion. All the ingredients in this oat smoothie are helpful in weight loss. You can also use flax seeds along with chia seeds as it is also rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids and reduces inflammation. You can lose about 2 kgs of weight if you continuously consume it for a week. Do try this recipe and comment the results. Thank you and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.